Well, we did the dancing and the drumming, and I think I like the dancing more. Well, that was really fun, and we learned a lot, and it was made into simple steps, so it was easiest to follow.
I also loved the drums because I loved all of the sounds it made. The drum workshop was really loud, but it was fun. And I liked hitting the drums with the stick because I liked the sound it made. I actually like the drumming best because I like whacking the drum.
I'm very happy about Carnival. I really love it. I love the procession. I love the colours. It's really colourful. I've not been before. It's my first time. I haven't done the Carnival before. I'm putting these sticks together at the moment to make some flowers.
Lovely colours together as well. I like that combo. Oh, that's such a good. Then we've got you.
I like the watermelon bar. I like wearing costume, there's a hat.
I really like the beat. I love feeling that beat. And the noise, it's really nice. I love feeling all that beat in my chest, in the chair, and the music. It's great. I really enjoy that. And the guitar, and the keyboard, and the singing, and the man. Lots of different men with their costumes and their faces and their fancy dress.
When we were in the carnival, we had these calls, and one of us in the tiger costumes would say snake, and then you would have to do a move, and then you would have to do that when someone called it out. Well, I remember the really loud music and the samba band, and I felt it vibrating through my body, and it just told me dance. Well, it was very loud, and lots of people came to watch us, and it felt good just being in it.